So are you able to hear me, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So,
Okay. So in this class, we will cover generation and updation of person number. So what is person number? Person number is a unique field, unique value to identify the persons. Persons means workers or contingent worker or employee or anybody. Everybody will have one person number. Okay. We'll go to person management search. Person management search. Okay. Just select any person here. Okay. Let's take John Rice. Let us take example of John Rice. Okay, what is his person number? 4286. Right? His person number is 4286.
86.
So generally the person number will be generated automatically by default. Okay, person number will be generated automatically by default. But we can change it to manually also. So I've written the articles. So how to update person number in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. If you go to Oracle reference help document, you can click on this link. Otherwise, just first go through my reference article and then you can go to Oracle reference document as well. So person number generation is of three types. One is manual. Second one is automatic prior to submission. Third one is automatic upon final save. So what is the difference here is when you keep person number generation manual means you need to enter the person number manually by yourself while hiring an employee or by hiring a contingent worker. What we need to do? If we keep person number manual means we need to enter the person number manually while hiring an employee or while hiring a contingent worker. So then what is the difference between automatic prior to submission, automatic upon final save? When you keep automatic prior to submission, this will show the person number before we click on submit button. While hiring an employee itself, it will show in the application. Okay, while hiring an employee itself, it will show in the application before we click on submit button. Automatic prior to submission. Whereas automatic upon final save. Okay, automatic upon final save will be, we will not able to see the person number until the person was hired in the application. We will not able to see the person number until the person got hired in the application. So what is the best method here is automatic upon final save. So why it is the best method here is, suppose manually when you are entering person number, there might be a mistakes. Some people will within one, there would be multiple legal entities in the enterprise, means multiple companies would be there. Each HR will enter their own person number. Sometimes it will become a duplicate or sometimes it will become wrong person number also they will enter sequence. Okay. Generally, we will not use this in any implementation approach. There won't be any manual person number approach, but there is an advantage in particular cases. We need to use manually only. I will show where we need to use manually. Okay. Automatic prior to submission. So automatic prior to submission is, if you want to see the person number, we can use this automatic prior to submission. Okay. But whereas if the transaction like hiring an employee got failed, because of multiple reasons, the particular person number will be wasted, and here the gaps will be created. Suppose let's take person number starts with 1. Okay, first you have hired a first employee, second employee, third employee, and fourth employee. While hiring automatic prior to submission, the transaction got failed because of approvals or some other reason. The fourth will be you cannot use in future. Again, you have to come to 5. Means here there would be some gaps will be created. Automatic prior to submission, because of when something got cancelled, there would be some gaps will be created. Automatic prior to submission. Coming to automatic upon final save. This is the best approach. Even though we don't see the person numbers, but this person number will be created only when the employee got successfully hired. Okay. Only when the employee got successfully hired. So this is the main difference. Okay. So where we will change this person number approach, we need to go to manage enterprise HCM information task. In that, person number generation method would be there. This is a person number generation method would be there. There we will need to change the person number generation method. We need to select manual or automatic upon final save, automatic prior to submission. Okay. Generally, by default, would be system will Oracle will suggest automatic upon final save. Okay. So then when we need to go to manual, suppose if you want to update any person number because of client requirement, then we need to change the enterprise HCM information to manual, and then only we can change the person number. Okay. Let's take an example of John Douglas here. What is his person number? 1692. Okay. What is his person number? 1692. Now I want to change the person number to some other person number. We need to go to manage person. In that, okay, before going to manage person, we need to change the person number method to manual. Before going to manage person, we need to change the person number generation method to manual and click on save and close. Then we need to go to the person number person management search. We need to search the employee, and for that employee, we need to go to manage person. When we go to manage person, in the bottom right corner, here, person number will be enabled. Only when you change the manage enterprise HCM information to manual only, then only you will be able to see this person number field. Otherwise, you will not able to see this person number field. It will be hidden. Okay, remember that one. Only when you change the person number generation to manual only, you will able to see this person number field. Otherwise, it will be in hidden mode. Then you need to click on edit and then change it to whatever the person number you want, and then click on OK. Then the person number will be changed. If there are no any approvals are there, automatically once you click on submit edit and OK button, the person number will be changed. So what is the first initial person number of this employee?
1692.
1692. And what is the final person number of this employee?
2479.
602479. So this is one of the best interview question they will ask. Definitely, they will ask how will you change the person number of the employee in the enterprise. This is a definite interview question. That's why I have prepared a complete detailed scenario. So we can change the person number, or we can update the person number of employee by changing person number generation method to manual, and we need to come back to manage person, and we can update the person number. Okay. Now we will see in the application. Okay, what is the person number we have selected here? 4286, right?
4286.
Okay. Now we need to verify whether Manage enterprise HCM information. It is manual or automatic upon final save. Go to manage enterprise HCM information task. Here, see here it is automatic upon final save, right? What we need to do? What we need to do here?
We'll change to manual.
We need to change it to
Manual.
manual. Okay. Just click on edit, click on correct, and select the particular field. Click on manual, select manual, and click on submit. Click on OK. Now, what is the person number generation method? What is the person number generation method now?
Manual.
It is now manual, right? Now we have changed person number generation method to manual in which task? In which task we have changed? Manage enterprise HCM information. Okay, now click on done. Now go to person management. So this is the employee we thought, right? John Rice or Rice John. First name dot last name or last name dot first name. Okay, now I want to change the person number of John Rice. So where I have to go? Manage person. So in order to go to manage person, just click on task panel. So earlier we used to have everything manage. But now they have removed manage keyword. Only change salary, manage change salary, manage individual compensation, manage person, manage allocate checklist. Earlier it used to be like that. But now they have removed the keyword manage because anyhow we are managing that one. Earlier also we used to have manage employment only. Now they have removed the entire manage keyword and they are using only the important work area person. We need to go to the person work area. In that person work area, we need to select person information tab. Please remember which tab we need to select.
Person information.
Person information tab. We need to select person information tab. Okay. Select person information tab. Scroll down. Then only you will able to see person number. Then only you will able to see person number. Otherwise you will not able to see the person number. Once you change that manage enterprise HCM information person number to manual, then only this field will be visible in the system to edit. If it is automatic prior to submission or automatic upon final save, this person number will not be shown in the system to edit because you know it is automatic, right? So now click on edit, change it to some already person already exists, then it will throw error like this. So now just say we are able to change this from to what is the earlier person number 4286, right?
So
now we are able to change it to 247955. Now click on submit. Click on submit and click on yes. Click on done. Close. Now what is the person number I need to search? 247955. This is a person number I have modified for the John Rice employee. Click on search. So we are able to change the person number, right?
yes, sir.
So what is the new person number?
7955.
247955. So this is one of the important interview question. How will you update the person number in Oracle HCM application? So please practice this one, and it's one of the very important interview question. Okay. Now we will go to automatic upon prayer submission, automatic upon final save. We already discussed. Okay, if you go to automatic upon automatic prayer to submission, it will create some gaps. Okay, it will create some gaps. Automatic prayer to submission, it will create some gaps in the person number sequence. If the transaction got cancelled after the person number is generated. Okay. So the best approach, or the default what Oracle suggests, is that we need to use automatic upon final save every time. So this method generates person number without gaps in the sequence. Okay, this is if you are creating any contacts for the hiring, then it will also create one person number for the contacts also. Okay, this is what the theory. You can go to the theory and you can understand it simple. Sequential only. It will person number always starts with 1. Always person number will starts with 1. By default, the person number sequence starts with 1. Okay. You can change the sequence also. However, you can change the starting number also. You can change in the system. Okay. Okay. I hope you understood generation and updation of person number. So generation we already seen while hiring an employee. We have already seen multiple times. Person number will be generated. Okay. So now the person number is in manual state, right? Now if you click on new person and hire an employee. So what it is asking? Here we need to give the person number, right?
Person. Yes, sir.
Generally, this person number we feel will not be in enabled state. Because here the person number is in manual status. It is asking, we need to give the person number. If it is automatic upon final save means automatically generated, it will be shown. Okay. We will see that one also. Click on cancel. Click on cancel. Now change that manual to automatic upon final save. Or automatic prior to submission. We will see that one as well. So person number generation from manual to automatic prior to submission. Okay. Click on new person. Hire an employee. See here person number generated automatically, right?
Yes, sir.
We are not giving any number, but we can see the number just give the basic details. Okay. Like suppose if you give US on legal entity, first name, Channa, Anand, male, if this person number will not again, there would be some gap would be there. Earlier, what is the person number?
1568.
Now 7569. But we have not created that person, right? Okay, now I will show one more time. So what is the person number now? Just please remember, what is the person number now?
7569.
7569, right? 7569. We will take the screenshot. Okay. So this is the disadvantage with automatic prior to submission. So even though we have not created the record, even though we have not hired an employee, just have cancelled the transaction. Have cancelled the transaction. So 7569, right? I have cancelled the transaction. Now again I want to hire an employee. Okay, did I created any person, any employee before? No, right?
No, sir.
I've cancelled the temp. So what is the person number here? 7570.
70.
Even though employee was not created, the person number already used, and now it came a gap, right?
Yes, sir.
The gap came, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we will create this employee. Okay, we have to give the zip code and all details. Nine 4061. I'm just giving. Okay, when you select the position, automatically the position synchronization is enabled. It will get all the details. We will see this position synchronization later. Click on next. Okay, because its position is slightly, the budget is already they have given. So for $40,000 to $60,000 for this position, for this grade. So we have to give within the budget. Okay, this you remember, salary range already they have committed. Okay, click on next. Now click on submit. Now we have created one employee with the employee number. What is the employee number? 7570, right? 7570 we have created.
Yes, sir.
But actually, what about 7569? Is it created in the system?
No, sir.
No, because we have cancelled the transaction. This employee was not created in the system. But we have created the employee with person number 7570. Okay. Now we will go back and see in the application whether it is displaying or not. We'll go to transaction console. Go to in progress. Still it is showing. Okay, now it was approved by the workflow system. Okay, transaction summary. Completed. It's still in show. Now it will show in completed. Now it was completed, right? So now we will go back to person management search. We'll go back to person management search. So what is the employee name? Employee number 7570, right? 7570. So we are able to see the Mahesh Nadimpalli, right? So
Yes,
we are
sir.
able to see Mahesh Nadimpalli 7570. Whereas 7569. What about 7569? Obviously, the employee should be there. Otherwise, system should not allow next employee number. But there is no employee for 7569 or 7568 also. We are not created the employee, we cancel that employee. But 7567, there would be employee. So after 7567, two employee numbers, we got a gap, right? Because we have used automatic prior to submission and we have cancelled the transaction. After employee number got generated, after person number got generated, we have cancelled the transaction. Because of that, we got gaps in the person number. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is not the correct approach. So that is why Oracle is suggesting don't go with automatic prior to submission. But sometimes why Oracle has given that provision is that if they want to see the person number and if they think that, okay, we don't do any kind of cancel transaction or something like that, they can see the person number. Instead of by at the end, automatic upon final save means it is generated completely automatic. If they want to see their person number automatic before they submit, they can do that, but they should not cancel the transaction. If they follow that approach, there won't be any gaps. That is the main difference between automatic prior to submission and automatic upon final save. Now we need to change it back to automatic upon final save. That is the correct approach. Manage enterprise HCM information. Now we will correct. And change it to manage automatic upon final save. And if you want initial person number from 1, you can change it to 1. Or if you want initial person number from 10,000, you can change it to 10,000. Now the employee number will start from 10,000. Because it has started from 6,200, system has as of now 1,000 employees they have hired. If you want to change the initial person number, you can change the initial person number here. Okay. So everybody understood this is one of the most important concept for interview purpose. Definitely you will get one interview question on person number. You can write it down on a paper. You will get definitely one interview question on person number. Can you briefly explain person number concept? Okay. For this interview question, person number generation and updating methods in Oracle HCM cloud, this article would be more than enough. If you want to go in depth again, after we practice these concepts, you can go to the reference article. What Oracle I have given, same, almost the concept is same. You can go to the reference article here. Okay. Okay, guys. I want to close the session today with this person number generation concept and person number updating person number in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud.